We are here out having an adventure. Emma shooting the handgun. Oh, she just finished the clip. And Aubrey shooting the .22 for the first time.
Okay. Heather, it's still by the rock.
These good ones, they're like, first those ones are like this. So it's like
Hit anything yet, Aubrey? Nice.
Can I shoot after you? That was
really close, buddy.
Okay, Emma, load it for the other girls, please.
there, but you the one right. It has a kick to it.
Yeah.
Why? When could I
Now, if you
shoot?
look, there's some of
Nice, David.
Yeah.
That was out.
Sweet.
Oh, it's that metal piece on the other.
Yeah, I can get out there.
It's all gone.
It's all gone? Okay. Here's Shane's first time shooting.
Do you want the red over the
Yeah, this
target?
You want them lined up. So you want the 2 green dots to line up with the red dot.
Hey, Dad. Can I shoot that on that? How are you gonna upload this video?
That's cool.
You got 8 rounds?
How long does it take?
7? Okay. Alright.
Alright, that's it.
Want to see it on.
Okay, let's see these boys here.
I didn't have one in there, dang it.
Who's calling?
It's Miles.
That was perfect.
Dad, can I try shooting the 22?
Oh, got it swing. Oh, we're going rapid shot. Woo! Oh,
The trigger's not right. And this is not right there. That's the trigger.
nice.
Yeah, that was fun.
Dad, can I
Here's
shoot
Brinley
the
shooting
22?
for the first time.
A bunch like that for you.
Good job.
Safety, and then to load it, put that forward. Yeah, and then put it in the tube for all of them. Should hold it in
Ow.
the chamber.
Okay, sounds good.
She got you with her
Oh.
cartridge.
I thought I.
Because it shoots out to the right, remember?
Yeah. That hurt.
It wasn't tucked in my shoulder, so it
Did you get it yet?
I was like, on my shots, Chris, I was like,
Afraid if it's still in there.
up and stuff. I was like, oh, I can't. A little bit down. That's really hard.
Nice slow squeeze.
it's a flow. You gotta lead the target and everything.
Got some 22 masters right here. There you go.
Ooh, close.
That's out.
Okay, safety on.
I hit 2.
Nice job, babe.
2's awesome.
I like the sights you can.
What's that?
The electronic sights.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, David. We'll get you in a
Yeah, that
second.
helps, doesn't it? That's kind of what Lila was saying.
Because my
She said
ears
those
hurt.
sights are easier to use. What'd you think, Pooh?
It's fun. I like shooting.
All right. It is fun, isn't it?
I want a 22. Like that.
Nice.
Yes.
When you get me, I gotta.
Austin.
No. Aubrey.
Sweet.
Nice, Aubrey. How do I get them in?
3 of the girls shooting right now. Aubrey's got a handgun. Delilah and Lily have the 22s. Shooting for sodas.
Yes, we're both going for it. Who's up
Not
first?
good to do a while.
Yeah!
Soda fountain.
I have 2 holes in it.
Oh,
Yeah! Delilah.
Dad, what's the shot at the soda can? Brindley.
So do the one grip
So aim for that soda on the table.
there, and then this one kind of opposing, and then sticking your right arm.
It's getting hot. It's having a hard time.
You almost got it, Brindley.
And keep your thumb on the left. Keep your thumb on the left down because Heather was going to just creep up.
Here, hold this and record. Okay, now shoot.
Is there a soda?
That one soda at the table is being targeted. You can do it,
All
Daddy.
out. That's some good shooting. Thank you, miss.
Ready?
Go for it.
And so this is the explosion.
Oh, God. Oh, so cute. Dang
Now if you hold
soda.
it,
Okay, the first soda.
Okay, go for it.
you're gonna pull that receiver.
How are you shooting the same
See where
spot?
these grooves are?
Oh,
Just pull it.
There's one right there.
nice.
Pull it. Now that's it.
I'll leave the rest of the sodas, but that's awesome.
Well,
Push over the crap.
Anticipation.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, Daddy.
Killed it.
Do one more.
So go to one more, wherever. Hit the pot again, whatever, pick it.
Whoa!
First shot.
First try.
Yeah.
Followed up.
What's your target?
Okay,
Hit the glass.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it. I don't have slow-mo set up for us, but
Yeah, but when's the last time? It's not a beach. It's a lake.
Oh, now that looked like a firecracker.
You back.
Okay, yeah, I see 4.
Want to know where you were?
Waterboard you.
yeah.
It's hard to get it without like leaving your eye right up there.
Yeah.
The gun and miss your target.
That's okay.
Just a little high.
A little to the right.
Close, close.
What happened right here? I have no idea.
That's close too.
Don't lose it or break it.
Ooh.
Boy. There you go.
There's one.
Redemption.
Are we going? Dad,
Try time.
could we go now, Dad?
And clean up.
Okay, Emma, shoot that soda up close with the 22.
Good.
Okay, Brian, finish that last,
Got a little more used to the scope on that.
the last one.
Hot, this gun's getting hot.
What was that for?
Yeah.
Now there's
Keep going, Emma. Finish the clip. Oh. Boom.
Daddy.
Watch the pot.
Right through it.
Really?
Didn't even make it move.
No kidding.
Yeah, it's too powerful.
Dad.
The metal's so soft in the pan, it just like
Wow.
butter right through it. We'll go
That's a
check it out.
powerful round.
Can we go look at him? Dad.
No, the bugs.
Daddy, that was great.
Yeah,
Just a little under.
that was fun. I expected that pan to go nothing. It just shot right.
Ooh, that was close.
We don't have any more high caliber bullets.
Yeah, that was the last one.
Oh, I've got 40 more.
Okay, let me get the 10 right.
Okay, okay.
Which one?
We did bring the 10 right.
but we're gonna hurry.
Did you shoot the handgun again?
Yeah.
Did you? When I was shooting?
What?
When I was shooting?
You shooting that pigeon? That clay pigeon?
Just go for it, Aubrey. Just click one after another. It's exhilarating. Just rapid fire. Do it. Rapid fire.
Hit the handgun 3 times. Oh, I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna go check out the pot before we blow it up.
How? Oh my gosh, you have a bullet. The arrow didn't even move.
Okay, here's the rifle bullets. The front and back, just like it was nothing.
Okay, let's...
You see what I mean? Instantly, you should not be able to buy that.
I think you got it that time.
What was in that?
It's gone!
Family reunion!
Yay!
What did I just see?
All right, way to kick it off, dude.
It's gone.